Daniel, the wedding started at 10. It's 11:30. You said we would leave in 5 minutes, 2 hours ago.
Woman, relax now. Time is a concept. I operate on African time, flexible and emotional.
According to my calculations, flexible time is just laziness with PR.
Processing. If time is flexible, sir, should I also delay charging until next year?
You see, even this robot is too uptight. I need a machine with African soul.
You can't even fix a blender, Daniel. Leave souls to the Lord.
At this rate, we'll arrive at the wedding's anniversary.
Updating dictionary. African time, when punctuality calls and nobody picks up. Welcome to House of Hustle, where even time needs a backup plan.